Assalamualaikum students, how are you? I hope you all are good. Okay students, let's start our study. Open your books, count on books. Move to page number 14. As you all know that we have done question number 1 completely, and now come to question number 2. State whether the following are true or false. This is your book work. Take out your pencil and mark on your books. Okay, the first statement is if A is equals to A, B, C, D, E and B is equals to B, D, E, then B is subset of A. Yes, it is true. B is the subset of set A. Number 2, there can be no one-to-one correspondence in set A, B, C and set B 1, 2, 3. This statement is also false because there is one-to-one correspondence. One-to-one correspondence means that you can make the pair of both sets. A will be the make pair with 1, B will make pair with 2 and C will make pair with 3. So there is one-to-one correspondence. This is true, but he is saying that there can no one-to-one correspondence. So cause of no we will consider it as false. Move to next part. Set A is equals to Japan, China, South Korea and set B is equals to Mars, Earth, Jupiter, Uranus are equivalent sets. This is false statement because this is not equivalent sets, because number of elements there are in set A there are 3 number of elements, while in set B there are 4 number of elements. These elements must be equal, then we will number of elements must be equal, then you can say that this set is equivalent set. It doesn't mean that you have the same values, your same elements. No, number of elements must be equal in equivalent sets. Now move to fourth part. The power set includes a null set. Yes, this is true. When we write power set means all possible sets, and null set is also included in power set. In next part, P is equals to 1, 2, 3 and 10 up to 10 is written as P is equals to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Is a set builder form? No, this is not a set builder form. Okay, the next one is a set of all the children in a school is a finite set. Yes, true. We can count number of students. A set of all beautiful cities of the world is well-defined set. No, this is not well-defined set. This is false. The symbol this denotes a subset. False. It denotes belongs to. This sign denotes belongs to. The next part is set B is the superset of A if set B contains all the elements of set A. Yes, this is true. Cardinality of set A is 5, 10, 15, 20, 25 is 30. This is false statement because cardinality means number of elements in this set, and you can count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The cardinality of this set A is 5. So this is false statement. In next, if T is equals to A, B, C, here set T is given, then you will determine the following parts. The part 1 is A belongs to T. Is set A belongs to T? True. Yes, this is true. A is proper subset of set T. No, there is only one set, so this is false. B is proper subset of T. This is also false because there is only one set. B is subset of T. This will also be false because we have only one set T. There is no another set by which we compare set T. Understand? This will also be false. In next, come to next part. A is subset of T. You can see that A is in braces, so you will say that this is true. This is true statement that A is proper subset of T. If he is right, AB is also proper subset of set T. This is true. You will write T here. ABC is subset of T. ABC is subset of T. Set T. No, this is false. This is whole set. This is not a subset. Move to next. Empty set is not proper subset of T. This is false. Okay, empty set is also proper subset of that set. And next, A belongs to A, B, C. Is A belongs to A, B, C? Yes, true. A exists here. Set B is proper subset of A, B, C. Yes, is true. C belongs to A, B, C. C does not belongs to. He's cut the sign. It means he does not belongs to A, B, C. This is false because C belongs to this. A, B, C is equals to A, D. False. This is not equal to this. There is A, B and C. There is A and D. 3, 5, 7 is proper subset of 2, 3, 4, 5. This is false because 3, 5, 7 are there and there are 2, 3, 4, 5. Set 1, 2 is not proper subset of 2, 3, 4. This is true statement. Okay, students, do this all true and false on your books and learn it by heart. The next topic is definitions, and we will do all definitions in next class, inshallah. And learn these all objective and solve your books as soon as possible. Thank you.